All right, kindergarten, it is win time. Please get out your win packet, the green one. So it came in the last material pickup with your Valentine's items, the Valentine's pickup bag. So go ahead and get the green one. We finished all the pages in your red win packet. So you can get that one and move it out of your materials at the end of the day because you will not be doing it anymore because we did them all. And we will be continuing to work in the green win packet now. All right, so you have gotten your green win packet and you open to the first page. It is the very first page. It has a 1 at the bottom left. Down here, you'll see a 1. And this one looks different than the other ones, right? So let's read the directions. Fill in the missing sound. So you can remember that we have been working on beginning, middle, and end sounds, right? So let's look at this picture. It is a picture of a bird. And let's look at how they spell bird. They have the first beginning and some middle sound letters, but they're missing the end, so we have to sound it out. So b, or it. It doesn't say it, IR says So bird. What is the D sound that you hear? Oh, I just told you, right? It is D, and it says D. So go ahead and write a D, bubble first, and then stick. Good. Let's move on to this picture. What is that? It looks like it's missing the beginning sound, and we know that this says k, a, ts, e, k, a, t, e. I know that's a skate. Oh, so now, right, you know that this is a sneaky, bossy E, so it's making A say its long name, A, k, 8, Kate. Well, sk, 8. Good job. And this is a picture of a heart, right? Heart. And it begins with H, right? H, heart. Oh, and when I say the rest of heart, I hear a H for the H, art, art. Oh, and I only hear and T, right? But we see an EA in heart. So EA and R say art for heart. Good. All right, let's move down to this direction with the snowman. Write the sight words. Oh, this does look like our other sight word pages or other win packet pages. Let's read them. On. We know this word from our sight words from last week, are. And this one is come. On, are, come. And so number 1, it has 4 blocks. That means the only word we have over here with 4 is come. So go ahead and write come in there with the C, O, M, and E. Good. All right, number 2, it has 3 boxes. That means I have to choose the word with 3 letters, and there is only one word with 3 letters, and that word is R. So let's make an A, R, E. And last, number 3, 2 letters over here is on. So go ahead and make an O, and then an N, lowercase, all of them, right? Good. All right, let's move down to the math portion. Draw a picture and complete the number sentence. So they have 4 dots for 4, 1 dot for 1. So how much is 4 plus 1? We have to write the number and then draw the picture. So I'm going to get a bigger bubble. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Over here, that first number is a 7. So they want me to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do a group of 5 plus 2 more because I know 5 plus 2 more equals 7. And then that's a 2, so I'm going to do 2 dots. And now there's an addition sign. That means I'm going to put them together to have more. So it's 7 plus 2. So put up 7 fingers and then add up 2 more. 7, 8, 9, 9. Now I have to draw 9 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I know 5 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 9. All right, last on our win page for our new packet, counting tally marks. Oh, we have talked about tally marks when we do days we've been in school, right? But this time these tally marks equal 1 and not 10 each. So these are 1 sticks. So 1, 2, oh, that's right. If I say there's 4 and then 1 falls over, that's a total of 5. And 5 plus 3 more is, what number are we going to put in this box? 8, yes. All right, over here, you know, that's a group of 5. 5 plus 1 more, 5, 6. I'm going to put a 6 in that box. And we are finished with our first win packet in our new win page. All right, so go ahead and post this picture on Seesaw under win, okay?